Hi, this is Bart with BuildLog.net. I'm showing off one of the drive units for my wall plotter. This uses a spring harvested from a tape measure to coil up the belt as it's being pulled in by the motor. One of the questions was, how long is the spring going to last? So I built this test fixture where it's going to run continuously for a few days, running at various speeds, simulating a job. I'll back out a little. It's hanging over a door in my basement, and it's pulling up something representing the end effector where the pen goes. So it's going at various speeds and accelerations, distances. Hopefully that represents the final weight of my item. And here's a bit of a close-up of the unit. You can see there's a motor here. I also have some little idler pulleys up here to keep the belt in contact. The force that the winder has isn't very much. You can see the belt isn't really taut, so that keeps it in contact at various angles. So hopefully it'll last a couple days. We'll see.